Hello. In our ongoing exploration of media effects, we have navigated the landscape of minimal effects and powerful media paradigms. Today, we venture into the realm of synthesis, a paradigm that combines the essence of both viewpoints. Join me as we unravel the intricacies of the negotiated media effects model, a compelling compromise that underscores the profound potential of media and communication. At its core, the negotiated media effects model is a bridge that connects the dots between the minimal and powerful perspectives. The negotiated media effects model is a theoretical framework that explains how people interact with media messages. It argues that people are not passive recipients of media messages, but they actively interpret and negotiate these messages based on their own personal beliefs, experiences, and values. The model also recognizes that media messages can have a powerful influence on people, but that this influence is not always direct or immediate. Instead, it can be indirect and long term. The negotiated media effects model goes beyond the confines of mass media, which refers to the traditional forms of media such as television, radio, and newspapers. It also encompasses the newer forms of media such as the internet, social media, and mobile devices. This is because the newer forms of media allow for more interaction between the sender and the receiver of message. This means that people are more likely to actively interpret and negotiate media messages rather than simply passively accepting them. The negotiated media effects model also recognizes that media messages can have a profound impact on people. This impact can be positive or negative, and it can vary depending on the individual and the context. For example, a media message that promotes violence may have a negative impact on a child who is already struggling with anger issues. However, the same message may have a positive impact on a child who is learning about self defense. The negotiated media effects model is a complex and nuanced approach to understanding the effects of media. It is still evolving as we learn more about the ways that media interact with people and society. The statement that the negotiated media effects model goes beyond mass media and is a catalyst for profound impact means that it recognizes that media can have a powerful influence in people, even beyond the traditional forms of media. It also acknowledges that this influence can be both positive and negative, and that it can vary depending on the individual and the context. While effects can manifest as short term, direct, and immediate reactions after a single encounter with media content, the true potency lies in the realm of endurance. With repeated exposure over time, media content possesses the ability to fortify existing beliefs rather than dramatically altering them. It's a dynamic interplay that underscores the significance of continuity in shaping our perceptions. To construct this paradigm, insights from political, economical, psychological, sociological, and cultural anthropological realms merge seamlessly. This multidisciplinary approach delves into the intricate tapestry of human development, recognizing persuasion as an integral part of our social fabric. It's an acknowledgement that we require this ongoing exchange of ideas and viewpoints to function harmoniously as a society. Furthermore, this perspective challenges the notion that persuasion should be avoided. Instead, it's celebrated as an essential mechanism that knits us together, connecting us through shared beliefs and values. To forfeit persuasion would mean sacrificing a fundamental thread that keeps our social fabric intact. As we journey through the negotiated media effects model, our exploration encompasses the young minds that shape our future, the children. A multitude of studies delve into the pivotal role of communication during critical development phases. These studies unlock insights into how media content molds perceptions and attitudes from a tender age. In this paradigm, media's impact transcends mere entertainment or information delivery. It's a force that intertwines with societal issues like crime, prejudice, aggression, and antisocial behavior. These problems are now understood not just as isolated phenomena, but as intricately linked to communication dynamics. In some instances, communication emerges as a cause, while in others, it offers a potential solution. The line between influence and resolution becomes blurred. To uncover the nuances within this paradigm, the negotiation between qualitative and quantitative methods is paramount. This fusion empowers researchers to delve into the subjective realm with a quantitative lens. By reinforcing qualitative statements with data backed insights, a more holistic understanding of media effects emerges. Our exploration reaches its zenith as we probe the various forms of effects that emerge from communication interactions. From psychological to emotional, behavioral, and societal dimensions, the negotiated media effects model embraces the diverse tapestry of human response to media content. As we conclude this journey through the negotiated media effects model, we have unraveled the intricate dance between media's potential for influence and our dynamic human nature. It's a paradigm that celebrates the symbiotic relationship between media and society, acknowledging the continuous dance of persuasion that shapes our collective narrative. Stay curious, for our expedition through the landscapes of media effects is far from over.